Greetings everyone, and today's video I will show you how to fix OTP not received in Garena. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first thing that you want to do, go to your phone. I have my phone right here, and what you want to do to fix this issue, the first option is to disable flight mode or enable flight mode and then disable it. So basically what you want to do, just go to flight mode right here, airplane mode, and just enable this. Close all the apps and then disable it again, and then the problem should be fixed. If this does not work for you like it did not work for me, I found it on another solution that actually worked for me. If this problem is now fixed for you by just enabling and disabling airplane mode, then you are good to go. But the second option is holding the app info. Scroll down, then go to the clear data. Clear all data and hit OK. Then you want to try it again with your phone number, and then for me it actually worked. So this actually solved this problem by refreshing the app. If this still does not work, there is a last option you could try, and that is by using a VPN to change your virtual location. That you want to do, you want to open a VPN. I have Express VPN right here. Connect to the VPN and try it again. I would recommend you to try with some different countries. For example, a country you are living next to. For example, like if you live in India, you can change it to Bangladesh or Pakistan or something like that, and then it should work. So I have actually had some people online, I read it online, that is actually was a solution that worked for most of the people if the other two solution did not work. So this is the way how to fix OTP not received in Garena. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.